If you're over 50, this is for you. Your body might be sending silent signals that you shouldn't ignore. 4 common habits could be secretly affecting your health, draining your energy, and taking away your mental sharpness. The good news? You can make simple changes today to feel revitalized. Stay tuned as we explore these 4 critical mistakes that can be dangerous if you're over 50. Let's dive right into the first one. Mistake number 1, vitamin B12 deficiency. This often overlooked issue could be the reason behind persistent fatigue, memory lapses, and other surprising health problems. Vitamin B12 is essential for your nervous system, red blood cell production, and cognitive function. Yet, after 50, the body struggles to absorb it efficiently, especially with reduced stomach acid levels. Imagine starting your day with renewed energy without dragging your feet or dealing with mental fog. That's what adequate B12 levels can bring back to your life. Many people over 50 take medications for acid reflux or diabetes, which further complicates B12 absorption. Lean meats, fish, dairy, and eggs are great natural sources of B12, but they may not be enough for some. If absorption is an issue, such as after surgery or with certain digestive conditions, B12 injections can ensure you receive the right amount. Supplements might also be effective in milder cases. By maintaining proper B12 levels, you can keep your energy up, protect your brain function, and minimize symptoms like fatigue and focus issues. Mistake number 2, vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D isn't just for bone health. It plays a crucial role in immunity, mood, and heart health too. As we age, the body's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight decreases, especially for those who spend more time indoors or use sunscreen. Tired legs or a foggy mind could be signs of deficiency. Just 15 to 20 minutes of daily sun exposure can boost your vitamin D levels significantly. Additionally, include foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy, and eggs in your diet. If these steps aren't enough, supplementation may be required. Adjusting your vitamin D levels can improve energy, bolster immunity, and sharpen your memory. These small actions can lead to noticeable improvements, making a huge impact on your well-being. Mistake number 3, magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is an essential mineral that supports hundreds of critical processes in your body. From controlling blood pressure to aiding muscle function and maintaining stable blood sugar levels, magnesium is vital. But here's the catch. After 50, our bodies absorb it less efficiently. Symptoms like muscle cramps, fatigue, insomnia, and even foggy memory might not just be signs of aging, but could actually point to a magnesium deficiency, your body's way of asking for help. Surprisingly, over half of people above 50 experience low magnesium levels, often due to dietary choices, medication use, or digestive issues. But here's how you can turn that around. Start by incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your meals. Foods such as leafy greens like spinach, avocados, nuts, and even a bit of dark chocolate are excellent sources. For more severe cases, the right supplements, like magnesium threonate for memory or magnesium citrate for digestion, can make a real difference. However, if you have kidney issues, consult with a healthcare provider before adding supplements. Research shows that increasing magnesium intake can significantly reduce the risk of heart issues and strokes. Imagine waking up free from those morning cramps and regaining your mental clarity. Simple changes in magnesium levels could make that possible. Mistake number 4, dehydration. Dehydration is a common issue that often goes unnoticed, especially as we age. After 50, our sense of thirst diminishes, making it easy to forget to drink enough water. This can lead to symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and even confusion, which many people mistakenly attribute to aging. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Water plays an essential role in regulating body temperature, lubricating joints, and transporting nutrients throughout the body. When you're not drinking enough, your body struggles to perform these basic functions efficiently. Over time, chronic dehydration can also affect your kidneys and increase the risk of urinary tract infections. To combat dehydration, aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. If plain water isn't appealing, try adding slices of lemon or cucumber for flavor. You can also include foods with high water content like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges. Staying hydrated not only improves physical health but also helps maintain mental clarity and keeps your energy levels stable throughout the day. By addressing these 4 common mistakes, you can make simple yet effective changes that will significantly improve your well-being. If you found this information helpful, tap the like button and subscribe for more insights on staying healthy and vibrant as you age. See you in the next video.